Good morning, students. Today's our topic is Thomson model of an atom from chapter number 4, Structure of Atom. Now we will discuss some important points. Name of the model is J.J. Thomson model. Thomson was the first scientist to prepare a model for structure of atom in year 1903. Thomson's model of an atom is similar to Christmas pudding. It is also known as plum pudding model. It is similar to a watermelon. In this model, only electrons and protons were arranged inside the atom. Neutron had not been discovered at that time. Thomson's atomic model is compared to watermelon, where he considered watermelon seeds as negatively charged particle and the red part of the watermelon as positively charged. Thomson's model of an atom is similar to Christmas pudding. It is also known as plum pudding model. The plum pudding model has electrons surrounded by a volume of negatively charged plums embedded in a positively charged pudding. The electrons are like plums in a pudding. Now we will see some merits and demerits of J.J. Thomson model. So merits are, as Thomson compared structure of atom with watermelon. So it is very simple visual of an atom. It successfully explained neutrality of an atom. According to Thomson, the negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude, so the atom as whole is electrically neutral. And it was the first attempt in identifying structure of an atom. Now some demerits are, so the first main disadvantage is that it is wrong. It could not explain stability of an atom. It could not explain the large angle of scattering of alpha particles.